Hey, if you're a course creator, a coach, or an entrepreneur with a funnel, then this video is for you. So if you have an offer, then the next step is obviously filling your funnel with trackable, predictable systems that are going to get you sales. And before I get too far into any of this, know that I've helped build multiple 6-figure, 7-figure, and 8-figure client funnels. I've worked with Super Bowl halftime performers, 2 Grammy Award-winning artists, and a giant social media platform. So everything that I'm going to tell you is based upon that data. And just so you know, the call to action in this video is to not watch some 90-minute webinar, but instead to click through and sign up for my $27 Retargeting IQ mini workshop, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that here in a second. So obviously the ways of filling your funnel come down to either organic traffic or paid traffic. And we all know the benefits of organic marketing because you get that real-time feedback. But the benefits of paid traffic are that it's trackable, predictable, scalable, kind of what we talked about earlier. But the drawback is you're spending your own money, right? You see, what you should do before you start spending hundreds of dollars a day on paid ads is simply set up your retargeting. And in this video, I want to walk you through how my Retargeting IQ mini workshop is really going to help you nail down 3 essential things that you need in place even with organic marketing, but before you go all in on the paid traffic. So let me hop behind my computer and I'll show you these 3 core things.
So here I am behind my computer, and now I want to show you exactly how this works. So the first outcome that you're going to see when it comes to this Retargeting IQ mini workshop is simply this. You're going to understand how to think about a funnel. This is what I mean by a funnel framework and a tracking architecture. Basically, when it comes to paying money to the internet, whether it's Facebook or YouTube, Google, whatever, these ad platforms need to know your endpoint. What are you trying to achieve? And if you can program that in as a conversion or a custom conversion, then you can tell the ad platform exactly what you're trying to do, and then the AI will work on your behalf. So by adding in these endpoints and understanding how to think about your funnel, you're actually making these ad platforms work for you. Now, the second component that you're going to learn is audience segmentation, right? Now, obviously, you don't want to put your ads in front of absolutely everybody. You want to put your ads in front of those who have displayed the greatest amount of intent. And in the marketing world, intent is everything. That allows you to spend the most amount of money on those people who are most likely to take you up on your offer. And if you hop into this Retargeting IQ mini workshop, I'm going to show you exactly how to dial this in. Now, the third thing that you're going to be able to do is actually build out a retargeting campaign in Facebook and Instagram, right? And in my extended course, I'll show you how to build out these inbound and retargeting ads for platforms beyond Facebook and Instagram. But there's a reason why we always want to start our retargeting campaigns in Facebook and Instagram, and we're going to dive into all of that in the workshop. All right, so the last bonus module that I'm actually going to be including in this is a module on UTM tracking. Now, what everybody seems to be focusing on or struggling with at this moment is, how do I connect clicks to conversions in the age of iOS 14? You can no longer rely upon pixel data to give you the data that you want. So how can you connect a click over on the left all the way over to a sale on the right? Well, in this module, I will show you exactly how to push data in and where to find that data so that you can start making decisions based upon data and proof, and no, this data does not rely upon cookies at all.
All right, so here is the call to action. Again, go ahead and click through, and you're gonna see a landing page that looks a little bit like this. And you'll see several folks who have already gone through this Retargeting IQ mini workshop and have found significant ways to increase their sales with proof and predictability. So again, if you have a funnel and you want to scale your sales, all while letting this machine do the work for you, then what I would encourage you to do is to click through and sign up for my Retargeting IQ mini workshop, and I'll see you on the inside of the Hacktics community. All right, guys, adios, bye.